The Fafrees F20 X-MAX folding electric bicycle is a powerful and versatile 750W fat tire e-bike built to deliver an exceptional riding experience for adults who demand performance, comfort, and portability. Engineered for both city commuting and off-road exploration, this folding electric bike combines robust power, a massive 48 volts 30Ah removable battery, and 20x 4.0-inch all-terrain tires to provide unmatched range, control, and versatility on any surface. Whether you're riding through city streets, tackling mountain trails, or cruising along the beach, the F20 X-MAX is designed to adapt effortlessly to every environment while giving you complete confidence and freedom. 750W high-performance brushless motor. At the heart of the Fafrees F20 X-MAX lies a 750W brushless geared motor that delivers peak torque and fast acceleration, capable of reaching speeds up to 45 km per hour, 28 miles per hour. This motor provides the power you need to conquer steep inclines, rugged terrains, and long rides without strain. The rear hub motor offers smooth and quiet operation with high efficiency, while maintaining long-term durability and reduced maintenance. It ensures excellent climbing ability, perfect for hilly landscapes or adventurous weekend rides. Massive 48 volts 30Ah removable battery, go further than ever. Equipped with a high-capacity 48 volts 30Ah lithium battery, the F20 X-MAX offers an impressive riding range of up to 150 kilometers, 93 miles, in pedal assist mode, and around 90 to 100 kilometers, 56 to 62 miles, in pure electric mode depending on road conditions, rider weight, and riding style. The removable battery allows convenient charging at home, in the office, or on the go. A smart battery management system, BMS, ensures safety and efficiency, protecting the battery from overcharging, overheating, and voltage fluctuations. Charging takes approximately 6 to 8 hours, providing enough energy for a full day's adventure or multiple commutes. All-terrain 20 inches by 4.0 fat tires. The 20x 4.0-inch fat tires are designed to handle all terrains, from snow, sand, and gravel to city pavement, with maximum stability and comfort. Their wider surface provides superior traction, excellent shock absorption, and a smoother ride, even on rough or uneven terrain. Whether you're exploring mountain trails or navigating city obstacles, these tires deliver consistent control and performance in every environment. Foldable design, compact and practical. The F20 X-MAX features a sturdy folding aluminum alloy frame, allowing it to fold quickly and easily for convenient storage or transport. You can fit it in your car trunk, take it on public transport, or store it in limited spaces like an apartment or office. Despite its folding capability, the frame is exceptionally strong and stable, supporting riders up to 150 kilograms, 330 pounds. This makes it a perfect balance of power, portability, and practicality. Dual suspension system for ultimate comfort. Built with front hydraulic suspension forks and rear spring shock absorbers, the F20 X-MAX delivers a smooth and controlled ride over bumps, potholes, or rough trails. This dual suspension setup absorbs shocks and vibrations effectively, ensuring comfort even on long rides. Paired with fat tires, the system enhances stability and traction, perfect for both urban commuting and off-road adventures. Reliable dual-disc braking system. For safety and control, the F20 X-MAX uses front and rear mechanical disc brakes, delivering strong and consistent braking power under all conditions. Whether you're riding downhill, at high speed, or on wet surfaces, these brakes ensure smooth and responsive stopping. Smart LCD display and intelligent riding modes. The multifunctional LCD display provides real-time ride data, including speed and battery level, odometer and trip distance, riding mode and motor power output. You can easily switch between 3 riding modes. Pedal assist, PA, extends range by assisting your pedaling. Pure electric mode, full motor power via throttle. Manual mode, traditional pedaling for exercise or battery saving. This flexibility makes the F20 X-MAX ideal for every type of rider and journey. Enhanced safety and lighting system. Ride safely day or night with the powerful LED front headlight and rear warning taillight. These provide excellent visibility for both you and surrounding traffic, ensuring safe riding in low light or dark environments. Premium build and ergonomic design. Crafted from high-strength aluminum alloy, the F20 X-MAX combines durability with lightweight handling. Its ergonomic design includes enhanced safety and lighting system. Ride safely day or night with the powerful LED front headlight and rear warning taillight. These provide excellent visibility for both you and surrounding traffic, ensuring safe riding in low light or dark environments. Premium build and ergonomic design. Crafted from high-strength aluminum alloy, the F20 X-MAX combines durability with lightweight handling. Its ergonomic design includes adjustable seat and handlebars for customized comfort, wide saddle for long-distance support, anti-slip pedals and grips for stability and control. Every element is designed for rider comfort, safety, and enjoyment. Technical specifications. Model: Fafrees F20 X-MAX. Motor: 750W brushless geared rear motor. Battery: 48 volts 30Ah lithium-ion, removable. Top speed: 45 km per hour, 28 miles per hour. Range: 90 to 150 km, 56 to 93 miles. Charging time: 6 to 8 hours. Frame material: aluminum alloy, foldable. Tires: 20x 4.0-inch all-terrain fat tires. Brakes: front and rear disc brakes. Suspension: dual, front hydraulic plus rear spring. Display: smart LCD multifunction display. Lighting: LED headlight plus taillight. Modes: pedal assist, pure electric, manual. Transmission: Shimano 7-speed gear system. Max load: 150 kilograms, 330 pounds. Net weight: approximately 35 kilogram. Wheel size: 20 inches. Why choose the Fafrees F20 X-MAX? The Fafrees F20 X-MAX stands as a premium choice for riders seeking power, comfort, and flexibility. With its 750W motor, 48 volts 30Ah long-range battery, fat tires, and foldable design, it offers a rare combination of performance and convenience. Whether you're commuting, exploring nature, or simply enjoying the freedom of electric biking, the F20 X-MAX delivers unrivaled versatility, strength, and independence in every ride.